Welcome to Structured Data Markup class with examples. In this class, I'll be showing you how to use Schema Markup to boost your SEO. From 2020 and beyond, it has become very important to mark up your website content. In this course, I will include structured data markups with examples that we use here at GetSales to get more free traffic from Google and other search engines. Truth be told, there has been a decrease in the number of sites that appear on the first page of search engines. This cuts across the board from Google, Bing, and any other major search engine. It is also a fact that Google is taking control of the results that appear on their engines. The objective is to satisfy the searcher's intent, even if it means having the searcher getting answers for what they are looking for without necessarily clicking into the website link. For example, let us look at this website result. This is for a keyword I've just typed, that is online marketing in Kenya. You can see here the first result. This is an ad. There is schema ads. Then the second result here coming here, this is an article markup. Then we have these ones here. These ones are FAQs from Google, whereby you can get answers for what you're searching for without necessarily going to a search result. And you can see more answers are popping up as I continue clicking on these. Then we have the first result here from Clutch. Then second, others are coming here and following. Then also down here, we have images. People also search for these images. So Google is trying to give you results long before you decide to go to our website. You'll be getting your answers. Now, that is what we're going to look at here, and we call them schema markup. So in 2011, Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Yandex came together to create a uniform list of entities and attributes that would be used in all engines without. So this was just a way to make them able to understand the context of your website. So today you will get this in a site called schema.org. Just go to this site and you'll be able to find a lot of information that you can use. Just come and click schema.org and you'll see a lot of information here. Schema.org, this is the site. So here example is a product. If you're looking into products, this is one of the schemas that we'll be using. I'll show you how to use these examples later on, because Google will be going through these codes and understanding your site better. So this is just one of them. You can see here there are different types of markups. So just go to this site, and I'll appreciate if you go to this site so that you can look through as we continue learning, so that you can understand really what we are doing here. So today, if you are serious with technical SEO, then you should frequently visit the site and see which kinds of attributes would help your website rank better. Okay, so we've already defined schema markups and we have seen what they are. So search engines need to understand the content of your website. Marking up your site with structured data will help feed more information to crawlers that will be able to give better results to users. There is still a lot about structured data that marketers need to understand. Less than 30% of marketers in the world are using this very important aspect of search engine optimization. So if you stand out and implement this, then you will be getting ahead of everyone, and most of the people in your industry maybe not even know what to do with this. So if you implement this on your website, you have a higher chance of appearing on the first page of Google. Of course, there are many other more factors that will be considered to appear on the first page of Google. So we've defined what schema is, but just to give you a definition, schema is a structured data markup that enables search engines to understand the context of your website. The full spec can be found in schema.org, as I have showed you. The schemas are a set of types, which are associated with a set of properties. The types are arranged in a hierarchy. The core vocabulary consists primarily of 614 different types, 905 properties, 114 enumeration values. So these you'll be able to find these more as you go through schema at this site, and you'll understand this better. So because there are so many types and properties, you need to understand which can be leveraged with the content you have and the client you publish on your site. Schemas have a significant impact on SEO, and voice search devices such as Google Home, Cortana, Alexa, and Siri, because now we are living in the age of voice searches. So this is something very important that you may want to implement on your website.